So children, today we are starting with chapter 3, multiplication. Now what is multiplication? Multiplication means repeated addition. If we are to add a number again and again, instead of adding it, we can count the number of times it is being added and multiply it with the same number. Let's see with an example. Here we are to add 89 two times. What will be the answer? But instead of adding, we can count the number of times it is being repeated 2 times. We can multiply it with 2. And we'll get the same answer. The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number with which it is being multiplied is called multiplier. And the answer is called product. Now let's study the rules of multiplication. Now 2 ones are 2, 5 ones are 5. Similarly, 650 ones are will be and 576 ones are will be 576. So we can say whenever a number is multiplied by 1, the answer will be the number itself. Now, here we are multiplying 695 with 0. And whenever a number is multiplied with 0, the answer will be 0. However big the number is, if it is being multiplied with 0, answer will always be 0. Now here, 4 numbers are being added, multiplied. 1000 multiply 99, multiply 11, multiply 0. So, we need not multiply since one of the number is 0. Therefore, the answer will also be 0. Now, look at this question. 2 multiply 4 is 8. 4 multiply 2 will also give us 8. So, if we change the position of the numbers or order of the numbers, the product will not change. Now, let us multiply it with another number. 8 multiply 9 gives 72. 9 multiply again 8 gives 72. Here 9 is at the end, here 9 is in the beginning. Changing the position of numbers will not affect the product. And this property is called commutative property. Now, next question. 66 multiplied by 9, which is in a bracket, multiplied by 10 is equal to 10 into 9, which is in a bracket, multiplied by 66. This is the missing number. Now let us solve it using the same digits. 2 into 4 into 9 is equal to 9 into 4 into 2. 2 fours are 8. 8 multiply 9, 72. 9 fours are 36. 36 into 2 again gives us 72. So, grouping, if we change the grouping of the numbers, the product will not change. And this property is said to be associative property. Now, 2 tens are 20. 3 tens are 30. We are simply counting the number of zeros, we are multiplying it and putting them at the back. 461 multiplied by 10. How many zeros are there in 10? 1. So, 4610. 461 multiplied by 100. 2 zeros at the end. 461 multiplied by 1000. 3 zeros in the end. 461 multiplied by 10,000. 4 zeros in the end. Now, let us do the same question by putting here 20. In this case, we can simply multiply 461 with 2 and put 0 at the end. So 9220 will come at the end. Let us do this question again by putting here 300. In this case, we'll multiply 461 with 3 and put 2 zeros at the end. Right? Now we'll be solving a few questions of multiplication. Question 1. 573 multiplied by 453. Now, 573 multiplied by 453, or we can say 573 is being multiplied with a number which has 3 at ones place, 5 at tens place and 4 at hundreds place. 3 threes are 9, 3 sevens are 21, 17. This was multiplied with 3 ones. Now we multiply it with 5 tens. So we'll put a 0 here. 5 threes are 15, 36, 28. The third digit is at hundreds place. So we'll have to put 2 zeros at the end. 4 threes are 12, 9, 2, 22. So in order to multiply, first of all, we find the partial products by multiplying each digit with the number. These are all partial products. Partial means not complete. Now we'll be adding it to find the product. So this is the answer. Now again another example. Second question. 53256 multiply by 723. Now 3 is at ones place, 2 is at tens place and 7 is at hundreds place. So 3 6 are 18. 2 is at tens place, so we'll put a 0. 7 is at hundreds place, so we'll put 2 zeros. 2, 4, 9, 3, 7, 1, 2, 2. 10, 19, 24, 4, 2. 3850 4088. Now we multiply a sum with a multiplier of 4 digits. It means it has got 4 at a number at thousands place as well in the multiplier. So the question is, seven three one six nine 3 2 8 5. It has at tens place 7 55 3 1 2 2 at hundreds place 3 at thousands place. So 3 zeros will come now. Seven, 11, 24. So This is the answer. Now again another question. 85256 multiply by 503, and this time we have a 0 in the multiplier. 3 6 are 18. Now when a 0 is there in the multiplier, we can even skip multiplying it with 0. We can leave it and multiply, go ahead with the next number. But it is very easy to multiply with 0, so why skip it? 0 is at tens place, 1 0 for that. Count the number of digits. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 6 are 30 and 5 is at hundreds place. First of all, 2 zeros for that. 5 6 are 30, 0 3, 8 2, 2 1, 6 2, 42. So the answer is 42883768.